The oven smokes quite a lot, as you can see, by the color of the bricks. That's why I decided to build another one more suitable to the dimensions of this oven. The dimensions of the chimney are 108 centimeters high, 48 centimeters wide, 36 centimeters deep. Also, the inside of the chimney is 150 by 150 millimeters, and at the end it will be 200 by 480 millimeters. This will help a lot with exhausting the smoke. And now the dimensions of the entrance to the oven. The inner arch 61 centimeters wide, 37 centimeters maximum internal height, 22 centimeters minimum internal height, and now the external dimensions, 29 centimeters minimum external height, 25 centimeters deep and 83 centimeters external width. I will carefully demolish the chimney because I need bricks to build the new chimney. Here I had to remove the insulation to make room for the new entrance and chimney. I will make the entrance to the oven tapered. At this point I recommend you to use refractory mortar. I didn't have bricks big enough to cut them according to this shape, so I cut them as you can see. Dimensions are 29 centimeters high, 62 centimeters wide near the entrance, 38 centimeters deep, 73 centimeters internal width. I cut the brick tapered, but also at 45 degrees. I could cut them all to the same size and at 45 degrees. I am building the arch of the oven entrance, first I will put a whole brick on both sides. The next two will be cut in this way to maximize smoke exhaust. The following are slightly larger than half a brick to have a 2 centimeters reveal between the arch and the side walls. Now I will use bricks, approximately 3/4 of the length. For the keystone, I use 2 halves of thin shimot brick, a red brick cut trapezoid, and another piece of shimot brick, also trapezoid, which will be seen. Here I remove the mold after about 4 hours to cook the mortar that was leaving. Later it will be very difficult to clean. I cut the bricks for the base of the chimney with a diamond disc on an angle grinder. For this I also made some cardboard templates, in order to find the correct shape for the first time. This time I made the chimney only 5 rows high. I made these 45-degree pipe bends from 2 mm sheet metal and welded them to this 2 mm flange. I fixed the flange with 6 metal screws. Here I am making a mold for the roof of the chimney, from plywood, melamine and polystyrene. I sealed all the edges with silicone. And I put mineral wool to avoid cracking the concrete due to the heat, contraction and expansion of the flange. And also a piece of cardboard on the chimney pipe. I also used mold release before pouring the concrete. Concrete is made of 2 parts sand, 1 part cement, 1% sodium silicate, 1% plasticizer, 3% brown oxide, lots of polypropylene fibers and water. By the way, is very expensive at the moment. The pipe has a diameter of 150 millimeters, so I measured the perimeter plus 3 centimeters to allow the plate to be pressed for joining. First I will bend 2 lips, opposite to each other. And then press them on this round iron from the vise with the help of the hammer. At the top of the chimney it has this cone that protects against wind and rain. And I connect them all with pop rivets. Here I was testing the chimney to see if it still smokes. Everything seems okay. I also removed the mold 5 days after pouring the concrete. Stay tuned. In the next episode we will talk about thermal insulation, waterproofing and the materials I will use, including those for finishing the oven. Thanks for watching this episode. Have a good day ahead. God bless you and yours.